Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout of our Winnie the Pooh collection. The story behind this is I had gone up in the attic of the house that I rent and found these animated Winnie the Pooh character figurines. So we thought they were the coolest thing, so we put those out. But that was the last year, one and only year we did, because Coco did not approve. They moved and they freaked her out. So not everything freaks that dog out. Anyway, so my background is basil cardstock, and then all of my paper layers are scraps. So I can hoping to get a lot of those used up, which I do. And I cut, several of them into banners, which just add a little something to the layout. I might end up with music connecting to my phone, hopefully not, because I'm going to turn my headphones off. Okay, cool. Oh, sorry. I was texting my sister. I forgot I was recording. But I'm just putting down some layers, and then I'm using branding strips up in the top, and then I'm going to add some of the cards that I cut from a paper as embellishments in the corner. Yeah, Mateo had a church program tonight, and so we got back an hour and a half ago-ish. And oh, he was so proud of himself too. It was his first, where they have to get up and sing and dance and that sort of stuff. And so he was excited, and he did a really good job. Oh my gosh, Reese, you're annoying. She's wanting outside because she didn't get outside today because Alex wasn't home, and then I wasn't home, and they were locked up in my scrapbook room. Can't you get hot on my lap? Yeah. And we're going to get home a little earlier tomorrow, because tomorrow's my long day too. I'm like, uh, it, it, he's got, this is through a program called Logos at the North Presbyterian Church in the Villages here in Florida. And awesome, awesome people at that church. And they remind me a lot of the church we go to, because we go to Village View, and it reminds me a lot of that church. And it's such a wonderful program. And so that's on Wednesdays, and that's coming to a close too, because usually when they have this program, they have maybe 1 or 2 more weeks of logos. And so I had a student last year that went to logos, and I was like, what is logos? Because she talked about it. And so she explained to me, and then I asked her, and then I texted her mom because we use Class Dojo, and I texted her mom, and she told me, and then her neighbor was sweet enough to offer to take Mateo with the other kids that she takes to logos on Wednesdays, except for half days, because then she has him ride the bus, and Mateo can't ride the bus, so that's the only bad part. Which the half day's coming up too, which I need to write that down because it's half day is on April 17th. So it's going to be half day. Oops, release is 12:05. I had a parent say, my calendar wasn't updated. I do weekly behavior charts or monthly behavior charts. And I put if there's an early release or something I know ahead of time, any nightly programs going on at school, I will try to put it in the calendar. And she's like, I didn't get an updated calendar with days off. Can you tell me which days there are no school? I'm like, honey, there is school from here until the end of the year. We have no more days off but our weekends. She's like, oh, okay, thank you. I was like, yeah. 38 days, baby. 38 days. Oh my gosh. I'm so ready. It's been a very stressful year. So now I'm going to do some of my die cuts and chipboard stickers are Hip Kit. Well, actually, all of my die cuts and chipboard stickers are Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings. And then I use some wooden buttons, which are Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings. And now it's going to take me a little bit to figure out which stickers I want to use for my title. But I end up using the blue Pink Fresh Studio for Winnie and Winnie Pooh is Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Vibes. And otherwise, the pink letter stickers for the A and the gold for the Christmas is Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers. And that is going to, and it takes me, like I said, it takes me, I'm trying to pull up all my past, I got my stickers and Hip Kit Club stickers from the November and December's kit and a few others out still for use. And then I have this much older alphabet stickers that I am pulling as well to see what will work on the page. I want to do a variety. I end up doing that gold and that blue, and then it just takes me a while to figure out where I want them. Okay, so now I have my title, and it's just a matter of figuring out where I want to put it, how I want to place it, and then once that happens, I go ahead and I just place it down and say, okay, that's it, and I actually put the stickers down permanently off camera, as I figured this was long enough. And I will have some still shots, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good evening. Bye.